Hello, welcome to our simple home. Today I want to share with you a gluten-free pancake recipe. I use 1.5 cup chickpea flour and 1.5 cup almond milk. You can use any milk you like. If you like, you can put some salt in it. It's optional. We like the way it tastes without the salt. Turn on the heat. I turn it on medium heat. I put some oil in the skillet. This recipe is enough for our 3 kids. They are gluten intolerant, and that's enough for them for a lunch break. I get a plate for the pancakes. And get a spoon to pour in the pancake batter. I usually pour 2 tablespoons per pancake. I let them fry for a minute or 2, and when they are golden brown, I turn them over, let them fry again for a minute or 2. When they are all golden brown, I take them out and pour the next batch in. My kids even like the little drops. They always say, "It's a love letter from mommy." I put some more oil in the skillet when needed. And that's the last one. I turn off the heat. And that's how many you get for one recipe. I get some fresh lettuce from our garden. A little bit of basil for decoration. I wash the lettuce and the basil. For this sandwich, I spread some vegan butter on the pancake. For the other pancake, I used some vegan spread cheese. I will post in the future those 2 recipes. some fresh tomatoes and lettuce from the garden, and the basil. Sliced cucumbers, and close the sandwich. Voila! A yummy gluten-free sandwich. You're welcome to like and subscribe if you like my content.